Let's put them in boxes.
Just trying to get them out as fast as we can.
What's that?
Gotcha. This is slaw I had left over from my barbecue.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll put
A lot of people are just in shock because all this stuff is happening.
Jason gets off work at
Yeah, okay.
4.
Okay.
Let me ask him to stop on his way
Yeah,
down.
he would. They would be willing to do that because we're taking on 900 additional people over in Race area.
We're gonna take the cans first so we can make a base and then the lights.
Good. We got some soup right here.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. I'm going to wash dishes for you.
Do you need some? You go ahead. Go ahead and try to find a pair and look for some. And yeah, you take
And
what
some
you
people
need.
just like.
And then we've got the blankets and
It's either fans or somewhere over there, but we're using a backhoe to lift up the ATVs up onto the embankment so they can get up in there.
We want this to be a place where you can just sit down and relax, and we pray with you, and we just show you love and compassion so that you guys can continue on with the day and just continue pushing.